ito si Ced Ablasa.
Was a big loss para sa kanila last year, especially because he was the leading scorer for them the season previous to that. And I believe he will be playing for Mindoro this year. I did see him on the roster, but he did not see action yet.
Head to Paulo Jobalde. Ibanez on the trailer. Three-pointer. Wala. Apinan and Hernandez battling for it. And Hernandez flex.
Rebound powers through for those 2 points.
Jobalde quickly to Carandang, who will lay it in for 2. Si Paulo Jobalde. De La Virgen is open. 3. Inside they go. Dono check. Ablasa. Asuncion puts the ball on the deck. Gets away. Nice pass. Asuncion to Ablasa.
For Batangas, JC Asuncion looked like he was going nowhere with that possession. The last moment got that emergency pass to Ablasa.
Ibanez, nice looking stroke. Ramirez. Hernandez. That's Levy Hernandez. Kasama niya si King Importante. Hernandez steps into that 3 and knocks it down. Importante. RJ Ramirez. They go to Porter. Nice matchup with Hernandez. Porter fading away and Gibbs.
And he's been making that since we were in high school.
Carandang. Tutan Choco. Game para sa Bulacan. 21-15. Under 9 minutes remaining. Here in the second period, Hernandez puts it in for 2. Porter with the rebound. Ramirez uses the Porter pick. Ramirez jumper is good.
Maybe get them past the hub, which was the South Division Championship.
Jobalde crossover. Arim staying with him. The turnaround shot. Paulo Jobalde. Tyron Lenore. Pinasok na sa Batangas, and Genosico's also on the floor. And RJ Ramirez sticking that ball.
Even trying to ask if he can fit well into the system of Coach Cholo Villanueva. So far, so good.
Oh, Osicos, yes.
Genosico's has been consistent playing for Mindoro those past couple of years, and now under this new team, the Bulacan Buyas.
Arim from the corner. Yes, sir.
Dagdag pa niya, lalo na they are a team that needs more height and mobile bigs. Seems like Chris ticks all the boxes. Right to Delphin Happy.
Thank you so much, Andrea. One thing's for sure, baka hindi kami pwede doon. Levy Hernandez, double figures. When you have when you're playing for a loaded team like Batangas, but he has the license to shoot sa team na to.
Definitely, and you know, it's him and John Baloria, Cedric Ablasa being out for the regular season, only coming in the playoffs. So they really had to work double time, him and John Baloria. Talking about Levy Hernandez.
The steal from Melegrito, and he gives it up to Paulo Jobalde, is now up to 9 points.
Paulo Jobalde and Coach Hank Melegrito.
Combined age, joke. Ayoko.
You don't want to go into that.
Jobalde gets it to Nino Ibanez. Dire-diretso si Nino Ibanez. Times, nasasayangan ako sa mga fouls niya. Kasi iba touch foul lang, iba frustration foul lang.
He has to keep his emotions in check. You know, that's something that as a young player he will learn.
Ablasa from the corner. No. De La Virgen, left-handed layup, wala pa rin. Lenore sa ilalim, tapped away. Oh, what a shot right there.
Been playing together for quite some time already for Coach Cholo Villanueva.
Montero. Mark Andales. Crossover, attacks, and finishes against it.
Now,
Montero Carandang. Medyo masikip. Osicos, corner 3, and he knocks it down. Asuncion, mintis ang kanyang 3. Ochea gets the tap and scores on the... Carandang. Pressure here from Batangas. Montero quickly to Andales. Asuncion, nakabantay sa kanya. Osicos fires and hits. Pagpasok ni Paulo Ubalde with 6.5 minutes remaining and up by 6, and you gotta be happy for Coach Bud.
And it's a good sign because now you give these guys confidence that they can respond in these types of situations. It was a test for them and they responded well.
In mid-air, just to make that shot. Meron na siyang 8 points. So Ubalde!
Going 6 out of 12 in the first half.
Steal by De La Vergen. Ochea, he will score and we are tied. De La Vergen ahead to Levy. Hernandez, derecho, and Batangas. That's a difficult possession para sa Bulacan with that Batangas defense.
The adjustment of Coach Solo Villanueva here, he's putting Don Ochea on Paulo Ubalde. Ochea has the speed to match up with Ubalde, keep in step with him, and also the height, making it hard for Paulo to make plays.
Ochea, nakuha yung rebound. Hernandez, inside they go. Ablasa, easy two.
Carandang, but Plaza was already getting past him on the other side.
Ubalde, the kick out. Tanchoco, no. Offensive rebound, napunta kay Hernandez. Tanchoco thought about it. Labas muna kay Ubalde. Ubalde makes this move. And Carandang banks it in.
And that's a big shot right there by Carandang to be able to stop the run by Batangas City. He has really been the key piece in this third quarter attack.
Another steal, and CJ Isit, easy two.
And that really is cup of tea, that outside shot. You'd rather have Mark Andales attacking the ring than taking those shots from the outside.
Importante. Nabatay ni Carandang. Porter. Arim, 5 to shoot. Porter getting position underneath, and Chris Porter. Tingnan natin na quarter scoring. Batangas winning the third, and that has been the difference, 25 to 15. Montero from the corner, no. Gets his own miss. Carandang. Lumapit, and he banks it in. This can do there to avoid Porter.
He was already there. There wasn't any extension of the left arm. Well, Coach Buds could have challenged, but he opts to save it for later.
Montero in a foot race with Importante, and he scores. Yari with a rebound. Bulacan seems to have recovered their bearings here. Carandang for 3. That's good.
And that's
On the 3 now, Bulacan with a chance to retake the lead.
I think that was too quick of a shot after a timeout for Batangas.
Again.
Tried to settle down a bit, involving his other teammates. And now, the team back in the driver's seat.
Ang early season trend po natin. 3 ball. Galing kay Paulo Ubalde.
You know, we're having a lot of upsets to begin our first week. Remember, Pampanga lost yesterday, but at half he was key in Bulacan taking the lead towards the latter part of the first half. So let's see how he can contribute here.
13 to 2 in the quarter for Bulacan. The scoring, Ochea, Levy. Oh, tough finish. Rebound ends up with Ablasa. We're tied at 64. Ramirez uses the Pinan pick. Ablasa sa ilalim and Ochea na lalaro pa sa finals. Nueva Ecija. Ramirez on the move and he scores. Napakita depensa ng Bulacan doon sa sequence na yun, Javi. Scrambling and closing out.
They really needed that stop with time winding down here. A good opportunity for them to maybe tie the game or get to within one.
Balde gets it to Osicos. Paulo gets it back. Fade away. No. Hernandez long rebound. Ablasa leaking out and he scores on the layup.
Through the game, get them close, but the defense is much better for this Bulacan team and there's much more physicality. And we mentioned the bravery and the passion as well. It's right there for the Cuyas.
Last 2 minutes brought to you by Game X. Ochea puts it back in. The Cuyas still alive. Ibanez out to Hubalde. Blocked by Hernandez. Gets it back. Forced that one. And Ced Ablasa coming up with a defensive stop. Apinan. Hernandez fighting for position against Ibanez. Here he comes. Levy will lay it in.
But all the other teams have been showing a lot of promise.
Ibanez for 3. Wala. Montero put back. No. And that will do it.